Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mohan of roll number 401. My perception on the video is dreams. You can break down big dreams into small works and start from that. If you break down like that, it will be easy for you to start. Uh, to start. So if you keep idle and thinking about the dream, you cannot achieve it. Like example, mm, in my real life, when I sit to write records or observations, I just take 1 hour for writing 3 4 um, experiments, and then do some other work and again focus on it. I make my work split into halves and complete it. Like that, if we want to achieve a dream, we should make it small. We should make the steps to achieve it. You cannot directly climb to the big from first step to fourth step. You should go step by. So it is important to make big dreams into parts. Thank you.
Next one. 410. Sorry, 404. Go with your activity.
Good afternoon,
Hmm.
good afternoon, everyone. My name is Manasri. My perception on the video is dreams look very big and difficult to achieve, but when we split dreams into small episodes and work on them, we may achieve them in a very better and efficient way. So we should try to split the dreams into small steps so that we can start from basic. Even though we don't know about the how to achieve the dream, but when we keep the dream and when we split it into many parts and try to achieve it, we can do it in a better way. And for example, if I want to crack gate exam, then for that I have to firstly I have to make a timetable on timetable for and my basic plan for how to prepare every subject in details, and I can also, and I should know how to manage the time properly for every question and for also for every topic. Thank you.
Good now. But you, instead taking the same words from the audio, you should have spoken in your own words so that you cannot fumble in between. Because just because you remembered the same content given by the speaker, you struggled now. You try speaking in your point of view. Good. Next. Quickly. Yeah, go ahead.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am B. Dhanaraj from ECE-D and I'm 410 from Team 1. From the video that I've learned, from the video that I've watched, I've learned that having a big goal is an important thing, but the real important thing is the progress and the way we achieve our goals. That means we cannot, like, we doesn't do a series of work whole time to reach the goal, whatever the goal is and how much big it is. We have to enjoy the process. We have to enjoy the way to achieve the goals by living in the present and having curious about our interested things, and being curious and interested in something keeps you motivating and pushes you to forward to the goals. For example, someone who wants to get into any company, he's not going to, like, he doesn't have to work his whole time on that, but he have to dedicate some time and for that time he have to work on that, and in the rest of the time he can do the interested things which keeps him encouraging and motivating. In conclusion, dreams are need to be reached, but in a way we want to be beautiful. I mean, in a way that is beautiful to reach the goals.
Good.
Thank
You
you.
tried well connecting your thoughts to your speech. But keep doing it. The continuity only will give you a better flow. Okay? Come on. Go ahead.
Good afternoon, all. I'm Navya from ECE-D. My perception on that video is time to achieve the dream. The time is much important to achieve the dream. If you waste the time for one day, the dream will be late for the one day. Time is the most important to achieve the goal. In, if you dream big, you don't waste the time. You properly use the time in the right way, then successfully to achieve the dream. Thank you.
You work on vocabulary and phrasal verbs to express your thoughts. Something is there in your mind, you're not able to deliver. Try in the discussion. 14.
17.
And you did not write numbers in the book. Come on. Go ahead. Who is 14 then?
14.
Absent. Okay. Go ahead. Go ahead.
In my perception, dreams means it is very difficult to achieve. If we dream, like if we want to achieve any job, it's very difficult. We need to work hard from the beginning. Even if we want to score good in our semester exams, we need to do very much hard work to achieve it. Like we can make into episodes if you want to study, but we also want to take rest. Means if there is 1 hour, 55 minutes you can study, and remaining 5 minutes you can take some rest, so that you can even feel some enjoyment, and you can even achieve your goal. Similarly, if in my example,
Hmm.
if we want to achieve any, sorry, if we want to attempt any competitive exam, then we need to practice from the beginning, like practicing questions from the previous year problems. Then we can go from basic level to hard level.
You're trying well but hesitant. You should be more confident. For that only we are giving this speech practices. When time comes in the classroom, you should take the microphone and have to speak to avoid this hesitation. Understood? Go. Next one.
So, good afternoon, everyone. In my perception, time is most valuable in our real life. So, in my real life example, I am a BTech student, and earlier I used to waste a lot of time on my mobile phone. Because of that, I couldn't complete my assignments and works in time. So, understand one thing, and I follow a daily routine to attend the classes regularly and spend more hours for studying to complete the assignments and works before the deadline. And, so, from my experience, time is a key success to reach the.
Hmm. Only time, no other perception you observed in the video or audio. Then. Okay. So try working on some vocabulary and how to think in your point of view. Instead, the speaker, you can think in your way about dream, about success, about the easy method to reach the goal or a dream. You think all the ways. Okay. Next one. Leave it there.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Tanuja. I want to share my perception about dream. According to my perception, a good dream can helps to change our life. Dream become real when people work consistency toward that dream. Let's take life example of Kalpana Chawla. As a child, she dreamed of flying in space, and later she studied aeronautical engineering and moved to USA for higher studies. And she became the first woman of Indian origin of space from NASA. Her journey proves that a big dream can across boundaries.
Good, you did well, but you are not across boundaries. Means you did not give clarity. You gave good example, but the clarity is missing. You started with good example. You should have given clarity to the audience.
Across, I mean, boundaries means that dream can change their life from as a child from poor village to uh, poor village to the space, and the dream can change her life from poor village to that NASA boundary.
Okay, good, Nana. Next one.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nikhil. My opinion, according to the audio clip, everyone has dream, and I also have a dream called to secure a job. And to achieve the job or to achieve the dream, we want to follow some steps. Like we want to keep short goals, short-term goals. We want to keep we want to learn some courses, or we want to learn the communication for the further situations what we face it for that dream. And we want to keep the short term goals, then we success for the long term goals. And we want to be very confident and very motivated, and more importantly, patience is very important for to achieve a dream. And keep yourself very motivated every day, because life give you many problems when you when you going towards your goals, and want to motivate every time. And the world is yours, and keep trying and trying, and you get the result at last. And that's my perception. Thank you.
Don't be hesitant. Okay? Be clear with the words that you are using. You are going on a right way only. Okay. Next one. Go ahead.
Hello everyone, my name is Manoj. My perception on that video, time is interlinked with all the things. For example, time is linked with the dream, but we can achieve the dream, we can manage the time. That after that we can achieve the dream. Basically, time is not only for dream. Time is also about relationships. We can manage the time with our family. It can improve good relationships and reduces the mental health also. Yeah, let's we take some example about dream. Yeah, I want to crack a gate exam, but for gate exam, so much subjects are there. So that's why I will the subjects into small pieces. Uh, I will I will learn that subjects from basic to hard. After that, I will achieve the dream. Thank you.
Good. You have started very well. Why did you stop abruptly? Focus on your pronunciation and flow. Okay. Next one.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Gayatri. I'm tell about time interconnect with goals. Time is the resource of the while goals are target to achieve. everyone has same amount of time, but them used to differ from person to person. Um,
Hmm.
time is most valuable in our daily life. Um,
You might
time,
have searched the content somewhere. It is not your own content. That's why you're struggling. Now speak on your own. Come on. You have listened to him, right? The speaker. And by listening, what are the thoughts have come to you? You speak that. Your real life example. Come on. In my point of view, you start like that. Come on.
in my in my point of view, time is most valuable because uh, without set any goal, time may be wasted, uh, but time is used properly. The goal to achieve the goal perfectly. Thank you.
Okay. You try in peer discussion. Okay. Good. Next one.
Good afternoon. I am Prasad from ECE-D. So I want to share my perception about video present over there. And dreaming is very precious, is very important to our life. In order to achieve dream, we should have to manage the time uh, in such a way that we should have to divide the time into schedules, and we can make sure to to prepare in that schedules, and success into our dreams. And coming to my life, I'm wasting more time on social media, so so we should have to avoid it. So I should have to avoid the time, more time on social media, and prepare a proper schedule and to achieve big dreams or goals, etc. Thank you.
Okay. Next one.
That's all.
Okay. Peer discussion should happen. Come on. Stand here for the peer discussion. The first sub team, quickly. Quickly. Only two are present from your sub team. Yes or no? Then you two can continue. Come on. If you want to discuss something, you discuss. No problem. On live, if you wanted to suggest something to him, you can. Your LE three, right?
Good afternoon, everyone. We are here to discuss about about our perception on the video, and with my friend. Dream is having dream is important in the life, but uh, sitting idle and not working it for it is a wrong thing. We should work on it.
But according to my point of view, having a dream is a good thing, but allocating specific time to the dream and spending the remaining time for our creativity and curiousness is the most important thing than the dreams. Dreams are common to everyone's, like everyone has a dream, but how we achieve the goal or how we achieve the dreams is the necessary thing. So what in the end, what stays is the way we achieve the dream. So we have to finish the story of a dream, achieving dream, with beautifulness of curiosity, as well as hard work of having desire to reach the goal.
Yes, what you said is correct. We have to allocate some time to do it and work efficiently on it to achieve it. And making the dream into small parts and making it easier is the best suggestion. We can use it for efficient results to get on our goals.
On the other hand, the time which is wasted, which is does not belong to these two, working either working for a goal or having a curiousness. The time wasted on not doing these two things is the most unwanted thing that we do. A less time which is wasted from in the journey is effectively, is affected more on the journey that we have to reach.
Yes, what you said is right. The small things make big changes. Using this time efficiently makes us to reach the goal and achieve it.
You both did really well. Okay, good. When you connected well with good phrases, like effective phrases, and you spoke really, discussed well. Okay, good work. And your sub team has to come forward. You and where is the girl? You come. Join with your sub team. Is it your sub team there with you? Come. Hello, you especially join them quickly. And their sub teammates, where are they? Join. What are you doing? You from then you. No problem. You can join them. Yeah, do it. We'll see. Come on. Stand as a semicircle. Move. Come on. Do it. How do you start?
Hi friends, as we saw the video, in that we saw about dreams and
Speak louder.
we learned that to achieve any dream, determination is one of the most important factors.
And also time is the most important for the to achieve the goals also.
As time and tide wait for none, so everyone should utilize the time properly.
Yes, we shouldn't waste the time to use more time to use mobile phone like reels and shorts. So didn't waste that time to use properly time to study books and reading stories.
Time is very important in our daily life, so it is used properly.
No, it is not going well. Your discussion is not going well. You might have listened to your previous discussion. How did they connect? You are still sharing your opinions only. Immediately after, you should have told that yes, exactly what you said is true. Even I know that time and tide never wait for none, as we should not waste the time. And immediately you should have agreed with each other, and you should have used some connective phrases. Where is the dynamics of the discussion? There's no seriousness, and trying to connect. Still, you need to improve the dynamics of the discussion. This is not the way. Understand how to do it. What are the good phrases to discuss in peers? Learn, and I'll see the same badge like next time. How do you discuss with your peers? I'll watch. Okay, go. Will you try? Come on, four of you. Quickly, louder. And why did you leave the gap? Come on. You only stand close. Yeah, come on.
Good afternoon, everyone. Before few minutes, we watched that video clip. In that video clip, we learned about how valuable the time and dream. I know. I want to know what your perception about that video clip.
Everyone has dreams. To achieve the dream, they want to know about the strengths and weaknesses first. If they work on their weaknesses, then definitely they achieve their dreams.
Yeah, Nikhil, what you said is absolutely right. But we come to time. Time is wasting of so many people. So that's why we are connecting the time with the people, how they wasting their time and how it will disturb their dreams. Yeah,
Time is also very important for achieve the goals, because you want to fix the time to you just focus on your small goals to achieve your goals, and then you will definitely success and achieve your dream further.
So we should have to not only to achieve, we can also manage the time according to. We should have to plan accordingly how to study, how to uh, process to achieve our goals. So we should have to maintain proper schedule and time for specific slots to prepare or any gaining any skill knowledge, etc.
Mindset is also one of the major thing to achieve the goals, because you have the strong mindset, you definitely achieve your goals as fast you
Okay, your
seen.
discussion is also going well with your content, that is fine, but you fail to connect. You learn some good phrases. What are the good phrases to connect when you mention?
Um, as
Hmm.
in addition with your words,
Hmm.
like that phrase.
You can say like that, in addition to your words. Or I'd like to add some more points to your opinion. And yes, I'm on the same line. Even I think this is right. Like that, you should connect your peers. Understood? Okay, we'll do next time with good phrases, with effective phrasal words, and then